it's time to glue it. We'll take our trusty U-hood glue, and I'm going to establish the crease lines. Okay, so I place it on this, remove this, fold this over, remove that, fold this, fold this over, remove it, put it down, and fold it again. This time the flaps to go in. Now take this to the fourth part, increase it, and this, do it properly, and put it back, and then increase it. Remove the box. Use your fingers to do it properly. Press it down firmly, gently, and firmly. Watch out for this side. There's some issues here. Okay, let's cut out this one. It doesn't cause us some problems later. Also this one is bulging. Move it. It's a little bit. Okay. And the four sides well creased. Now it's time to apply glue. I'll apply the glue here, the edges, then circular form in the middle. I do it to the cardboard itself. This is the tighter cover. Smoothing it out gently, firmly. Okay, what I'm doing with my fingers helps it to establish, so it dries up faster. Fix it in. Yeah, that's good. Turn it over and smoothing it to clean hands. Turn it back over. So I'm going to start with these flaps that are extended like arms. Those are the ones we'll glue first. Okay, the mistake I made here. Okay, this is an example of cover that is not. We're going to add the lining afterwards. So I can show you that you can add lining before and after. So this is done up to this stage. Before we put in the flaps, I want us to put in the lining. Okay, let's go. Let's do that.